Want your iPhone to turn sideways, but it won't rotate? Here's the quick fix. Most of the time, rotation is locked. To fix it, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Now look for the rotation lock icon. It looks like a small lock with a circular arrow around it. If it's highlighted, that means rotation is on. Tap it once to turn it off. Now exit Control Center. Open an app like Safari, Messages, or Photos. Turn your iPhone sideways. It should now rotate automatically. Keep in mind, not all apps support landscape mode. For example, some system apps like Phone may stay in portrait, but apps like Safari, YouTube, Photos, Messages usually support sideways view. If it still doesn't rotate, make sure you're not using zoomed display mode. Go to Settings, then tap Display and Brightness. Tap Display Zoom, and make sure it's set to standard. And that's it. That's how you make your iPhone turn sideways. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.